What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 909 Adventures. We're at an spot, just something I wanted to check out, not too far from home, and I'll explain why here in a minute. Next on 909 Adventures. Oh, wow. Hello? Hello?
What's wrong?
Trying to figure out a better way to get through here.
Wow, they just left it like this?
They just left it like this. Give me a second, I'm gonna widen it out.
This is all from the movie?
I don't know if this is all from the movie, but wow. It's the only way we can really see. Yeah, this is pretty trashed. It's like everything is still here. You almost can't even
There's an old TV.
Yeah, wow. My grandparents had a TV just like that. That's crazy. This one's pretty tore up. A big hole in the roof. I don't know why I thought it went back that way. So I'm gonna shut this light off here. And that's where we just were. It's the living room. That sounded creepy, huh? I think this was one of the spots right here that the movie was in. It was supposed to be a poster on this wall. And it's, I believe, the same bed. At least it looks like it is. Wow. Skylight? You know you want a skylight. Not too much here. There I am. Oh yeah. It's hard to believe this was in a movie, let alone a Rob Zombie movie, right?
Yeah, but it's weird that they left everything.
Yeah. This might be a little, look at that.
Babe, look at
so
that's a snake.
Oh, I just stepped on that.
Yeah.
I thought it was a twig or a branch.
No, look at, you can see his mouth. Oh, that's a dead snake.
I bet you a bird probably picked him up, dropped him here, and ate him. Or ate what he could, because you can see the end of it right there.
Mm-hmm. Well, that just means they're snakes. Lovely.
Yeah. Well, look at this. Anybody missing their Honda?
I had one of those.
Let me widen this out real quick. Yeah, look at that. If you guys are missing your Honda, I found it. Yeah. Ooh, man, it's getting windy. Yeah. Alright, well, I guess that's it for the car. It's definitely seen better days. It's actually pretty cool.
Chicken coop.
I think it was a little bit more than that. That's probably the chicken coop over there. I don't know. Trying to decide, guys. What do you think? You think that's abandoned? I don't know. Just to be on the safe side, I think we're just gonna stay away from it. Try to stay out of the out of their view. You guys see that old camper shell? They don't make them like that anymore. Almost looks, it actually sounds a little creepy. To be honest, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Dang. Yep. Somebody's life. It's all gone. Gotta really be careful for nails, because I always wear Chucks when I come out to places like this. Not exactly nail resistant, more like nail inviting. Yeah, stuff. Really cool stuff, huh? Just trying to see what those red lights are over there. Or not red lights, but whatever those red spider webs. I know it's hard to see. Huh. Interesting. It's like somebody's old toilet. Well, guys, I don't think there's very much left here to see. I'm guessing this was just one of those. Obviously, did I miss that? I think I did. Did I? Is this like a separate little add-on? I did miss this. Let's see. Hello? Anybody in here? Just taking pictures. seen one of these since I was a kid. This is like a whole other little house. Like your shower right there. Okay, bathroom. Alright guys, I know I said I wasn't going to do any more houses. To me, they're just kind of boring, you know. You've seen one house, you've seen them all. We all live in a house, right? So I wasn't going to do this one until I found out this was actually a filming location for The Devil's Rejects. And Adam the Woo was out here yesterday filming this. And I had it on my map, so I figured, let me just go and check this place out before it gets burnt out or gets burnt down or knocked down, because everybody's going to be coming out here exploring this now. So might as well just do it while it's here. Wow. That. Oh, guys, did a hoarder live here? This is some really old stuff. That old whipped cream. Everything I step on is crumbling, guys. I'm not even going to attempt to go in there. Guys, when I come out here and explore, I don't always do it the smart way. I'm always wearing shorts. Not smart. Yeah, it is definitely hard to leave these kind of places. Oh, by the way, guys, real quick, just want to show you. Look. Look at this old Nintendo Entertainment System box. Man, this thing is old. I mean, anybody that grew up in the 80s, early 90s knows what this is right here. This is really cool. Not something you see all the time. Yep. It's, yeah, definitely that box has seen better days, but, you know, it's amazing that it's even still here. Alright guys, I think we're going to be making our way out of here. Look at this. What? I had this thing when I was a kid. Man, that's crazy. Alright guys. I'm pretty sure that's somebody else's property. Might even be somebody living in that trailer. I doubt it. But you know, we'll find out another day.